Vert Shock. Hey soon-to-be dunker, I don't care if you're under 6 feet tall. If you're unathletic. Or if you've already tried every bogus jump tutorial you could find on YouTube. Before you give up on your dream of throwing down rim-shaking dunks, let me tell you something. You can dunk. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to prove it to you beyond any reasonable doubt. Because I'm going to teach you my new 3-step, 0 to slam framework. It's called Vert Shock. And it's a new system that you can use immediately to increase your jump a whopping 9 to 15 plus inches. All in less than 8 weeks. Heck, most people see big results in as little as just a few days. Vert Shock is the only system I know of that's proven to boost your hops. Regardless of your age, height, athleticism, genetics. And I can't stress this enough, this isn't another one of those pointless jump tutorials. You don't need to do heavy squats, crazy box jumps, annoying deadlifts, or anything like that. In fact, if you stick with me for just a few moments, you'll learn some of the exercises you're probably doing are actually killing your vertical. But first I want to tell you a little more about my Vert Shock system. So far, this helped over 20,000 people experience what I would consider the best feeling in the world. Their very first dunk. Vert Shock is the secret behind the world's top dunker. And after using and mastering the 3 simple steps in Vert Shock, which you'll learn to in a moment, he has taken his dunks to a whole new level. And let me be clear. I'd be a complete liar if I promised you're going to jump 50 inches. But I will promise you one thing. If you follow this done-for-you roadmap, consisting of just a few simple workouts each week, you can throw down your very first slam in less than 8 weeks. I promise you that. Like I said, it is the best feeling in the world. And today I'm going to share with you the roadmap to the dunk mecca. It's a new 60-day elite vertical trainer, which I call Vert Shock. And if you're willing to stick with me for just a few minutes, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. Including exactly what Vert Shock is. Why this training regimen works a group of leg muscles that you likely never hear about. Who has already thrown down massive dunks by following this method. And most importantly, how you can use this method to dunk in less than 8 weeks. And I can guarantee you none of this will ever happen. No more stretching your shoulders out of their sockets just to swipe the net. No more being afraid to attack the rim in games and practices. No more feeling unconfident when you step foot on the court. No more whack tutorials and funky exercises trying to increase your vert. And last but not least, no more sitting on the bench when you deserve to be out on the court dunking on people. Do you want to dominate your opponents and stand out in any gym you walk into? Do you want to be recognized at parties and social events as the guy that can dunk? Do you want to make it to the next level and make your parents proud? Do you want to be the guy everyone talks about at school? What I'm about to show you is the difference maker between Vert Shock and just about every other jump program on the web. It's the secret sauce behind my 3-step system. And it's going to really piss a few people off. Especially those YouTubers who tell you to do box jumps, squats, whatever. Meanwhile, they collect money from ads every time you watch their videos. Trust me, they don't care if you ever dunk. In fact, in their eyes it's probably better if you don't. Just think about it, if you finally dunk, then you stop looking up their videos. And then they stop getting paid. Step number 1. During the first 7 days of Vert Shock, you will be introducing your body to the unique movement patterns and exercises of the program. And I don't want that to sound intimidating at all. It's not hard on your joints, it's no more demanding than playing in a pickup basketball game or anything else you've probably tried. In fact, it's probably a lot easier. Remember, we're going to be working smart, not hard. Everything I'm going to be introducing you to is centered around unique jumping exercises combined with precise sets and reps. This first step is called the pre-shock phase, and it's designed to get your body ready to fly. You will train 4 days this week for 30 minutes per session. Step number 2. Step 2 of Vert Shock training is designed to really push the limits. Here we shock your body into jumping higher than you ever thought possible. This is where the real magic happens. You will train on average just 3 days per week, for a total of 40 minutes per session. Each of your movements will carefully target those neglected elastic fibers. It is important that you explode on every jump during this phase of the program. This is how you consistently reach your max vertical jump velocity and strengthen those elastic fibers. After these 6 weeks, you will be leaping higher than all your friends ever thought possible. Step number 3. The final phase of the program is the post-shock phase. Think of this as the icing on top, where everything your body learned in steps 1 and 2 becomes cemented in your muscle memory, ready to be called on at any time so that you can rise up and throw down massive rim-rocking dunks on command. You will train 4 days this week for an approximately 30 minutes per session. We back off the intensity this week and allow your body to unleash a fury of vertical jump potential. This is the most exciting time of the program. You will feel much lighter and springier on your feet. Your strengthened elastic fibers will make it feel like a huge weight has been lifted off your shoulders. Welcome to Dunk Life, my friend. Vert Shock is the only proven system of its kind. Agree to try Vert Shock today.